Hello friends, so right now I just came inside the Pradhan Mantri Museum Sangrahalaya, which is located in Delhi, and I learned lots of things regarding the Prime Minister Museum, which is located here, and it's a very neat and clean place, and we can see the view here. So this is the view from here all over the around side. We can see the Prime Minister. This was the residence of the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, where he used to stay here. So let's see the view. The residence of Jawaharlal Nehru in New Delhi, which is nowadays as a museum Sangrahalaya, Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya. So I am going to explain lots of things regarding the Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya, Prime Minister Museum in Delhi. So stay update me and get the lots of information regarding the Prime Minister Sangrahalaya. Thank you so much.
In Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya, this is the complex block of the newly inaugurated block in Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya Museum, which was inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year of 2022 during the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So let's see, the view is looking so amazing, and I'm going to explore the museum and library from this way. Inside is the new complex in the new block. Already I visit the block 1, which was the residence of the Jawaharlal Nehru, who stayed for 16 years in this Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya Museum. That was a residence place. So I am going as let's explore to with me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So in this Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya, this is the 14th list of the all over the Prime Minister of India who served for our country and did work to development for our nation. So all those 14 Prime Minister of India, so thank you so much for that. Till now they grow and work for our country to growth. So these are the view of the list of the all 14th Prime Minister of India who served till now in our country. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much, Dhanbad, and stay update me and let's explore with me the all over the museum of the Prime Minister in India. This is the list of the Chaudhary Charan Singh, who was also one of the Prime Minister of India who served till now, and this is the Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao, who also served in India, and this is the list of the Sri H.D. Deve Gowda, who was also one of the Prime Minister of India, and this is the
जिसने देश को झकझोर दिया। ये सुभाष चंद्र बोस ही थे। बर्लिन से आकाशवाणी पर उन्होंने कहा, मैं सुभाष चंद्र बोस हूं, मैं अभी भी जीवित हूं और आजाद हिंद रेडियो पर आपसे बात कर रहा हूं। श्री सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने घोषणा की कि वे भारतीय स्वतंत्रता संघर्ष में अक्षीय शक्तियों, एक्सिस पावर्स की मदद लेने के लिए तैयार हैं। ये भारत की स्वतंत्रता के लिए युद्ध का आह्वान था। सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने जर्मनी में भारतीय सेना की स्थापना की, जिसमें लगभग 3000 भारतीय युद्धबंदी सम्मिलित थे, जिन्हें उत्तरी अफ्रीका में जर्मन सेना द्वारा बंदी बना लिया गया था। फरवरी 1943 में श्री सुभाष चंद्र बोस एक पनडुब्बी में जर्मनी से जापान के लिए चले। अप्रैल 1943 में श्री सुभाष चंद्र बोस मेडागास्कर के पास एक जापानी पनडुब्बी में सवार हो गए और जुलाई 1943 में सिंगापुर पहुंचे, जहां उन्हें नेताजी के रूप में पहचान मिली, क्योंकि उन्होंने आजाद हिंद फौज।
This is the statue of the Indian Army and the farmer who gave the slogan of the Jai Jawan Jai Kisan by the Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1965 during the Indo-Pakistan War. So this is the logo of the Prime Minister Museum, shows his hands holding the Dharma Chakra symbolizing nation and democracy. So प्रधान मंत्री संग्रहालय का प्रतीक हाथ में धर्म चक्र है को दिया गया है, जो राष्ट्र और लोकतंत्र का प्रतीक है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
इन व्यापक मुलाकातों ने संयुक्त राज्य अमेरिका को आश्वस्त किया कि श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी का निर्णय एक ऐतिहासिक गलती का है।
So this is the model of the Golden Quadrilateral project in India that connects that 4 major metropolitan cities of India like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you so much.